Hey everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a simple shingle replacement on this roof. This is an easy example. It's a 3-tab roof and it's not very steep, single story. So this is really something anyone could do. They just got to know how it works. So I'm going to take a few shingles up with me and show you how it's done. So here you can see there's actually a few spots we're going to work on, but I'm just going to show you one of them today. The one I just pointed at, that's the one I'm going to work on. You can see the other one's folded and missing sort of in the background there. So what I'm doing now is I am lifting it up to identify the nails, the fasteners that are holding it down. So we're going to pull that shingle off. You got to get all the nails out. So the way the shingles are fastened to the roof is there's 2 rows of nails. There's that initial one that's really easy to get to, and then there's the next layer that is the next row up. So you'll see that in just a moment here. Get the before picture. So with this close-up, you can see the line there in the middle of the shingle. So that's where the wind has been lifting the shingle up and bending it and folding it so hard that it's actually losing granules in that line. And that's just going to get worse over time if the shingle doesn't just tear off in the wind like one of the other one has done on the other side. So, so yeah, these are 3 tabs wide. That's why it's called a 3-tab shingle. And you got to get the nails out all the way across and replace the whole thing, not just the one tab that you see that's damaged. So you see there, I'm going for that next row of nails. That's nailed into the top of the shingle. Takes a little while. At least this one's not steep, so I get to sit comfortably and do this. Sometimes you're doing this on a roof that's super steep. You need a couch cushion so you don't slide off the roof. But today was an easy day. Get these guys out of the way. So fortunately, the shingles are actually pretty healthy on this roof. Oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, you can see where it just folded really easy right there. When a shingle lifts up, well, one, it's not supposed to lift up because the adhesive should keep it down. But if a strong wind gets a hold of it on a hot day when that adhesive is soft, then it can pull up in the wind, but it should bend up in like a curved fashion. It shouldn't be folding. That one's folded because it's gotten weak over time. So we want to line these up really nice here. Get it just right. All right. But yeah, fortunately, the shingles on this roof are still pretty healthy and in good shape. So you're able to do this. When this is an older roof and the shingles are falling apart, you really can't do this because you notice how I had to get the nails out of the other shingles that are above it on the roof. Well, if you go to do that, and like right now I'm lifting up the shingle above it, weak old shingles will tear or fold when you're lifting them up like that. And then now you have 2 shingles you got to replace. And then it might happen again. Now you have 3 shingles. And so what started as a repair turns into this huge area, which is why on the older roofs, it's better just to, find some storm damage and see if you can get a new roof through insurance, or just save up your money or use one of our finance plans to just get a whole new roof, because once it gets old, it's on its way out. There's no turning back. Now some of y'all are probably noticing the magnetic hammer there. It's called a magnet hatchet. They're really fun to play with, unless you're doing roofs all the time. It's not worth the $75, $80 to buy that. I mean, it really is not a useful hammer for anything else. It's not heavy enough to be a good framing hammer. It doesn't have like a good, claw on it for like a ripping hammer. But they're fun when you're putting in cap nails or putting in roofing nails. You'll also notice I'm reusing the nails. The reason I'm doing that, normally I'd be bringing new nails. I grabbed the box of nails I had at the house, and it was these really long roofing nails. That are really annoying. You gotta like, I mean, it's not that bad. It's just you can see them there. Oh, there's the after picture. And on a roof like this is definitely something that you could do on your own. Like I said, it's not steep, it's single story, it's a simple 3-tab roof. However, in general, I really don't recommend people getting on the roof. It is dangerous. I know we all did it as kids, but uh, at best you don't get hurt, but most likely you are going to mess up your roof in the process, and worst case scenario, you mess up your roof and you get hurt. So it's really not a good idea to get up there, but this is how you do it if you do decide to do it on your own. Of course, if you'd rather have somebody else come out and do it and you're in the Houston, Dallas, or Austin area, we can come out and do it for you. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.